I'm bored. What about you? Well, basically the same thing as you. I'm pretty bored. I have a great idea! What's your idea? We could prank call people. Prank call people? Yeah, like people we don't know. But isn't that against the law or something? No, I don't think so. Might be. Is it? No. Yes. Maybe. No, let's worth a shot. Come on, I'm gonna go get the phone. You stay here. I really don't think this is a good idea. I hope they don't call the cops on us. Okay, I'm back. I got the phone. Where is it? Right here. Okay. Let's dial the number. Okay. It's dialing. Let's put on speaker. I wonder if they'll answer. Hello, this is Pizza Hut, and we're just calling to confirm your order of 50,000 large pepperoni pizzas. Oh, that's a classic.
I don't think I ordered that.
But it says so right here on our Pizza Hut list.
Then what is my name?
Joanna G. Ciso. Bob.
No, it's not.
What is it?
Why should I tell you? You could be a stalker!
Is your refrigerator running?
Yes.
Then you better go catch it!
I don't want to.
Hey, you just won $100,000. How do you feel?
Depressed.
But why?
Because I have a feeling this is a prank call.
No, it's not. Why would you think that?
One, because you're asking me a million questions. First you said you were Pizza Hut, and now you're asking me weird questions like, is my refrigerator running? And I just won 1 million or whatever dollars.
It was 100,000. Shut up.
1,000.
100,000.
Whatever.
Oh, well, this prank call isn't very successful. I guess we better hang up now. Yeah.
Yeah, or else I'm calling your mommies.
Are you gonna call the police on us?
No, I'm gonna call your mama.
But that doesn't intimidate us very much.
Nah, I'm gonna call the police.
Oh.
So you better get out of here.
I better hang up. Where's the heck